Right, and we're back. We've got a torch, well, strobe light.
Turn around already.
Yeah, we're gonna go. No, oh, Adam. What about the wellies? Or I'll leave that till next.
Got the wellies.
Ah,
We'll leave that for next video.
yeah.
We'll see that soon.
Right, off we go on Adam's slam scooter for little kids.
It's probably not as good as Sam's scooter.
And like, here's my mum's Beetle.
Just check out the alloys.
Look at that. Look at that. And then my dad's crappy Megane. Yep, so Adam, what we're gonna do?
It works.
What we're gonna do?
I thought I'd take you through some of my new tricks.
Let's go then.
You want to see some of them?
Yeah. Adam, wait! I can't catch up. I'm only walking. It's not very good light.
Let's cruise, peeps. No, it's time for you to get that map.
Oh, more fireworks. Here goes Adam. He's fallen in the bush like he did on the 360 fail, if you've watched that video.
Foot jam doesn't work. Let's cruise down the hill.
Well, we've got a bit of light now because of the... Adam, I can't see you anymore. Come back. Turn, turn, turn. Oh, look at that. Pretty cool strobe light. Oh, here he comes. Oh, brilliant. Right, should we start the welly throw?
Yeah, welly throw.
Okay. Alright, we're going to go on to another video now. Okay. Bye.
See you later, lads.